So now we're going to restore the rails under the doors. This is the passenger door, and this is what the driver's side door looks like. And we're going to cut all the metal out and then redo them and make a new piece. So this is what's left from the bottom rail under the door panel. And you can see it's kind of messed up. It's supposed to be about 3 inches taller than this. It was rotted away and it has holes cut in it. So this is the groove that we're putting in now. In this piece of metal, we're trying to duplicate this piece here. So we're working on that right now. We're going to fast forward this so you don't have to see the, take your time to see everything, and we'll get to it in a minute. Perfect. So there's the groove we're trying to make in it. You see that groove there? Hope you can see it. See it kind of indented there? So that's what we're working on. Then this flap gets bent around, and then we'll work on the bottom part. We'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, we got the other line that we're gonna make here measured off. So we'll fast through this little part, and then you can see how the progress moves along. Okay, so there's the 2 creases you can see in there that we made. And now we're gonna bend this one piece back. This piece here has to be where this line is here. Has to be bent back to get a lip that was in the back here. We'll bend that back, and then we'll do a little adjusting and cut this down to fit. See you in a little bit. So here's the metal strip that's just about in place that we fabricated. You can see it there, the silver. And just do a little bit more trimming on it, and then we'll be ready to, well, after we sandblast the car and everything, then we'll tack weld it in. That end over there, the far end to the left, we gotta do a little cutting up and trimming, but it's almost there.